Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix EA not sending verification code. So first you need to do is open your browser and search on EA Chat with Us. Now here, click on I need help logging into my EA account. Now wait for it to load up. Now here, of course you can't log in because they will be requiring a verification code if you log in, which is not possible because it is not sending verification code. So here you have an option to continue without logging in. Now you can chat with them. Just input your first name, last name, and email. Then select your console if it's PC, PS4, and other. Now click on login and just follow the steps through it. And that's basically it.